Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some product that I've recently received. There won't be a card making tutorial today, but I will try and get something made as soon as possible. I've been on holiday and I'm a little bit behind, so I thought I'd just share with you some of the lovely goodies that I've received recently. And yeah, hopefully you'll see me using them in upcoming videos. So first of all, I'm going to start with what I've purchased myself. So I've got this lovely little collection from Concord and Ninth. I bought it here in the UK from a company called Dies to Die For. They're a great stockist of US products. And so this is the on display pop-up die set. So you've got this lovely pop-up mechanism, and then you've got this frame that you can stick over the top of the mechanism on the front, or you could use that on its own, and I've got some really fun ideas for that. It's got a little kitty, plants, books, a globe, and then this is what it looks like when it's all put together. So you've got a little bit of an idea on the back of the packaging there. So cute, and because it pops up, it folds flat when it goes into an envelope. It's just great for that little bit of an extra interactive card. It's got a little sentiment stamp set that was part of the collection, so I did purchase that as well. I just love the little sentiments that would fit nicely in the little windows. And yeah, if you go on Concord and Ninth's website, they've got loads of inspiration for this collection. And then I also purchased the embossing folder. So this is the Charming embossing folder, and it's 4 3/4 by 6 inches, just a 2D folder. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to having a play with that. I also purchased a couple of ink cubes from Dies to Die For. So these are the Gina ink cubes, Wild Wisteria and Lovely Lavender. I don't have that many purple inks in my collection, so yeah, I'm trying to just build up a few little dye ink pads at the minute, and I'm really enjoying using the Gina Designs ones. And then I couldn't resist opening this and using it, so that's why it's not in its packaging. But this is the Gina Designs Tidy Towel, so you can use it to clean your stamps. Now, I have a microfiber cloth to clean my desk, but because it's full of glitter and embossing powders, I never use it to clean my stamps, and I don't clean my stamps. So I really wanted to find a better way of taking care of them, and so far I've been really enjoying using it. So next I'm going to share with you these Wow Fab foils. I've got purple, blush, teal and ice blue. These have been very kindly sent to me from Wow as part of their design team. They have replenished my supplies because I was running a bit depleted, and I've got a magazine commission coming up soon for creative stamping, so I needed a little bit of a top up. But these foils are absolutely gorgeous. If you've never used them, you need to try them. I've got a playlist on my channel showing how you can use foils without a foiling machine, and on the back of the packaging is a few suggestions, but I have a few more up my sleeve, so stay tuned for those. But you can use them with just double-sided tape, double-sided adhesive sheets, toner printed images. You can use them with the Wow bonding powder and heat tool, and you can even use them with tacky glue and tacky gel medium. So yeah, really fun to play with. So next I want to share with you my design team pack from Rubber Dance Stamps. If you've not heard of Rubber Dance, they're a company in Germany and they make absolutely fabulous stamps and stencils for mixed media. And Suzanne, the owner of the shop, always very kindly sends a little ATC or a little handmade tag that she's made. So yeah, I always love opening my Rubber Dance package. So this month I've been sent 4 stencils. So we've got the wheel stencil, which is brand new. We've also got the Stars #1 stencil. So these were new to the shop as well. Then we've got this lovely Leaves #2 stencil. And then we've got this gorgeous stencil and mask. So this is the Sketchy Leaves 5. Let me just open this for you so that you can have a look at the stencils. And I do want to say the Rubber Dance stencils are perhaps some of the thickest stencils I've used. They're really good quality, really sturdy, great for mixed media, for gel printing, all those kind of techniques that you want to try when you're using mixed media. And because they're thicker, they're great for mediums like stencil butters and pastes. Because they're thick, you don't lose all of the detail when you use the pastes. If you're using a very thin stencil, sometimes you find you get a bit of seepage underneath, but not with these. These are brilliant. So that's the stencil, that's the masks. So I'm really looking forward to having a play with these. Now, I do love playing with mixed media, and it isn't something that I share a lot of on my YouTube channel, but let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see some mixed media cards or mixed media ATCs, artist trading cards, journal pages. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in at all, and then maybe I can showcase using some of these products on my channel as well. So this is one of the stamp sets that I've been sent. I've got 3 stamp sets this time. This is Collage Leaves 2. So lots of lovely leaves there that I can use for collage fodder and focal images. And then I've got this really gorgeous stamp set that's great for creating backgrounds. So this, I love the stitched border edge, the ruler, the kind of vintage stamp and postmark. Then you've got some text and background images. So this is Mix It Up 5. I will link all of these products in the description box below if there's anything that you're interested in particularly, so you'll be able to check it out there. And then I absolutely love this stamp set. So currently this is stamp set of the month at Rubber Dance, so you can get 10% off for the whole of October 2024. So do check that out if you like it. But I love these floral images. I love the music in the background, the text stamp, the grid. I just think these images are really gorgeous. This is Vintage Stuff number 1. So recommend checking that out if you're interested, especially while it's got 10% off. And the Rubber Dance stamps are really high quality photopolymer, so they stamp beautifully. So these are all the products that I've received recently that I wanted to share with you. As always, all the products that I've shown will be linked in the description box below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video for a card making tutorial. Take care.